welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you me just browsing for a couple flights using the EasyJet cheap fare finder. I kind of want just to show you just the layout and how to scroll. I really like how it looks on the screen. So yeah, just a couple flights just so you can get a feel for it. Okay, so first I'm going to search for EasyJet, see the cheap flights, EasyJet low fare finder. I'm going to click on last minute deals. This is where you want to go, last minute flight deals, low fare finder. And you can search here, but I don't advise that really, because you can search here, you can see as I'm scrolling through, there's like hundreds of destinations. Unless you really want to go somewhere like specifically, it will just take ages just to find something that you know you're really keen on, or individually. So what I prefer to do is literally come to these icons. So they have like city breaks, beach destinations, and then ski and snow destinations. So I'll give you a little run through of each. Like we're just bargain hunting right now, so we're going to find something. Let's try Lisbon. Lisbon low fare finder. London Luton to Lisbon. And what I really like is, can you see here, month by month, they've got the chart here. It's just really nice to see. Makes it really nice and visual, easy to see. And then once you click on the month, you go into the dates. Again, it's the same kind of visual thing. So we're going to look for a short one here. There we go. Thursday. Now actually, no, let's do the Wednesday, 44.99. Looking at these times, honestly, I'd rather pay the £6 more and then get like your day there rather than arriving at 9 p.m. So we're going to click the 12:25 flight. I'm going to add return and then go back to April. As you can see, the ones before, they're like unselectable, obviously, because it's a return. So Wednesday, let's have a look. Let's go Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's do Saturday. Saturday, 11:05. That's a decent time to come home. Let's just scroll back up, continue with this return. Obviously, don't be alarmed by the price there when it says £279 because it automatically does it for 2 adults. So we apply for 1. And then after you do that, you can see it's a grid view also, where vertically here, you can see the keypad, you got multiple departures on the same day. And then you can see side by side there on different days. So then you can, you know, make adjustments if certain days or times suit you. But so let's go with this. So in total, your return flights will be £139.66. Okay, so let's do a beach destination. Let's give Lanzarote a whirl. Just do London Gatwick. Let's try May. You'll never get more of a guarantee of good weather than May in the Canaries. 36.99. Let's go. Thursday, I'm going to add a return. Thursday to Monday. Yeah, again, man, it might have to be worth it to pay more for the 11:15 departure rather than arriving home at 3:10 in the morning. Continue with return. Yet again, bring back to 1 adult. See, you can go on Wednesday. Can you see they highlight lowest fare there? So you could go for, well, for £1 cheaper. Don't think it's really worth it, to be honest. Actually, say that this flight is tempting. If you want to go a day earlier and leave an hour and a half earlier, could be worth doing. But yeah, so we're going from Thursday to Monday, Thursday the 8th of May, Monday to 12th. Pretty decent flight times. Return is £86.98. So let's try a ski/snow destination. We'll just go with the first one, Geneva. Yeah, obviously I'm doing the flights where possible from London, but if I've got any other viewers that are from other cities, I'll more than happily go through flights from other cities. Definitely, just let me know. Just let me know. We can do that easy. So I'm picking from London Southend. So we still got flights in March. Okay. 12:45 departure. That's good on a Wednesday. Obviously, you can see this lull here. I'm assuming that means there are no flights. Obviously, places they don't fly like all year round. So just something to bear in mind. Yeah, coming back Saturday 29th with a 9:55 a.m. departure. Continue with return. Okay, so we're here. One adult. So a quick jaunt in Geneva. March the 26th to March the 29th, we got a return of £78.98. All right, let's do one more. So let's do Barcelona. Everyone loves Barcelona. So we're gonna go down here. Let's do London Luton. June. Barcelona in June will be amazing. It'll be kicking off in a good way. Yeah, this Wednesday looks good. Wednesday the 18th, 35.99. Let's do that. Let's add a return. Let's see what they got. Let's see, Wednesday the 18th. Let's do a Wednesday to Wednesday. A 10:50 a.m. departure time. That's decent. Continue with return. So obviously change this back down to one person. Obviously we've got this grid view again, but I'm pretty happy with those. So that's 1 week. Wednesday the 18th of June to Wednesday the 25th. That's £78.98, which is good. So so these are the baggage options. So you've got the standard, which I normally do, but I think with a week it'd be a bit hard. So these bag dimensions here are actually decent. When I say decent, they're better than Ryanair. I know that's a low bar, but it's okay. I can do about 5 days with that. I actually have purchased a bag with these exact dimensions. So when I go on, I'm like fully utilizing the allowance. But these two other ones here, obviously this one says recommended because it's the most amount of money. But when I'm actually looking at what you get, so you get the small bag, obviously, across them all, which is free, and then you get a large cabin bag to these dimensions, an upfront seat and speedy boarding. That's £49.48 per person per flight, which is limited edition because It's the bag you bring on the cabin with you, which I always prefer. I just feel like they're not going to lose it if it's with me, right? So on these essentials, you get a 23 kg hold bag and standard seat. So I imagine a standard seat isn't as good as an upfront seat, and you don't get the boarding. So we'll just add these on, and then that's your total of £177.94. That's return with all those extras that I've just talked about, the speedy boarding and the large cabin bag and the upfront seat. So yeah, £177.94. So that's it. I was showing you just how to go through the menu and just like the functionality of it. I really do like the graph, how they show it in columns. I think it's pretty cool. To be honest, I don't think they were the best bargains, but it's just to go look see. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.